Hi everyone! So, this is follow-up to my other video that I just made about Oculus Quest 2 and I made unboxing of it, so right now I'll try it on. Okay, I think that was kind of creepy. Anyway, let's start with the intro. Like I said, I will try right now Meta Quest 2. Let's take off this plastic right here, and here's another one. That was kind of ASMR, but I was speaking, so not really. Something that is incredible, there are also speakers on both sides, so I can listen to music. There are cameras, like 4 of them. There is screen, there is processor, everything, and it's $299 for 128 gigabytes of storage. Like, the price is outstanding. They just announced collaboration with Ray-Bans. I'm talking about Facebook. Just glasses with speakers and one camera. Also $300. So yeah, the deal is right there. Now here are the joysticks. Let's take covers from them, and also here's this part that I can take off, and probably battery just start working. So like you're seeing, maybe you can't really see because I can really go far, but yeah, there's no space to play it because right there is my bed, here's furniture, here's my desk. So really I have just this space to walk forward and backwards, because for that I will have living room. Can't really see nothing here like I thought I will. I can a little bit see my hands, but like only here, like this spot, that's all. That's all. I'm going here, I can see nothing, here nothing, right here. That's it. And yeah, it's working pretty well, like you can see, and I'm not feeling uncomfortable by any means. So let's turn on and see what I will see actually. Oh my goodness. I see right here some Oculus logo, and there's halo everywhere. So yeah, I believe this is not really... Oh my... This is crazy, but my lenses are foggy so much right now. You can see, like, I just put my glasses on my face and the lenses are foggy so much right now. That's so weird. Okay, I cleaned the lenses just a little bit, so yeah, let's put again those glasses, and maybe I'll take my hairs also up. Alright, I think I will stay in second mode. This is so incredible. And okay, when I'm pressing buttons, those buttons are not pressing. That would be too much, I feel like. It's so weird to just not see my hands while I can see those Joycons, and the screen is looking so big. But actually I can see so much pixels, and everything is like kind of blurry. I can see those, I can really see those Joycons, but they are pixelated and kind of blurry. They are not the greatest quality, and I can see right here on the screen, the bigger screen, it's so much more pixelated than this. So whatever, let's start. For some reason you can probably even see those lenses are so foggy right here, like right there and here. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, but this is not good. And also I just realized there are those speakers, and I was like, yeah, I hear music, and then I realized, like, I actually hear music. So that was kind of interesting to see that it's actually working, and it's working very well. It's working much better than in glasses with like micro speakers right here. It's very interesting feeling, like it's even hard to describe for me, but yeah, let's try again putting it on. And what I also seeing, when there's like some sensor probably that is seeing when I'm having actually a Oculus on my head or I'm not having. So when I'm putting it on, like so, the screen is turning on again, and I can see 86404 here, and when I'm going forward it's like moving back. When I'm going back it's coming to me, the screen. Check clarity. Okay, I think it's as good as it can be. Here's like, I was trying to show you like this, but you don't see anything here. So basically there's like, I can see discoloration like on the letters. Let's see, here's like a little bit more red, and here's a little bit more of blue and green on the bottom. I don't know if it should be like this, but my lenses are getting so foggy already. I mean, first impressions are so good, but I'm seeing also something black here. Okay, it's asking me to find some seed. so I can also move my hands around. But where I can sit when I'm not seeing anything. Yo, I'm not playing right now. And this is too much. I just turn on this function to my Guardian wall or something like this, and when everything showed up in front of my eyes, that's just that giveaway. That just too much. That was something that I think I will love forever. Okay, that's just insane. I can't really say nothing bad about this headset right now after what I saw. And also right now you will see how it's looking like when I'm trying to hold controller. Maybe I'll even record right now how it's looking like when I'm seeing this hologram in front of me. So you can see here's my room, and right now I'll put my phone inside the glasses, and you can see hologram in front of me that is actually also following me, and you can see my room perfectly, and there's the hologram in front of my eyes. This is incredible. Let's turn off the lights. Right now glass is trying to do something, but when they actually do something, they're okay, lost tracking, boom. Again, hologram is in front of me, right? And you can see actually everything in my room. I can see much better with my eyes, but still, it's all because of this one thing that is where my hologram is actually right now. So let's see. It is my IP camera. Okay, I'll take off those glasses. They're just incredible from what I see. One thing, I see very big discoloration, and I think mode 2 is actually for me, so that's very weird. Lenses are getting very foggy. I don't know how to fix that. And another thing, I just love them for now. So yeah, we'll see how I will like it, how this discoloration will work with me, if I'm gonna hate it or actually I'm gonna be fine with it after all, and everything like this. But for now I'm super impressed how it's working, how it's following everything. It's not working like AR on iPhone, that when I'm moving my phone and stuff and going back to the thing, it's in different place or something like this, or it's smaller, bigger. No, here everything is working. Just incredible. The best thing I ever saw in my life, if it's really working like this. Sadly, after a few days I started to have issues with my Quest. Maybe it was gyroscope or something else, but maybe also it was about battery, not really sure. But when I was trying to get my floor level, I couldn't really do it because floor was moving with me up and down. Also the Guardian was following me instead of staying in one place, which was very weird, and like literally I couldn't really be in the zone because the zone was going with me for a walk or different things like that, which was very uncomfortable. And also holograms were following my head instead of staying in one place. Also there was other issue, my Joycons were glitching in the air, or let's say when they're supposed to be very close to each other on a desk, they were very far away on the screen. And also with the joysticks, like there's like points and stuff. I don't know, this is incredible. Like if I'm holding this thing right here, I see exactly right here also on my glasses. When I'm doing something like this, I don't know, I don't even know how to say that. This is like witnessing something for the first time, and actually it is witnessing for the first time, so wow. I'm very impressed. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in my review maybe in a week or something, like small review, not really review, my impressions of using Oculus, because I'm gonna use them probably very often right now. Alright, thank you for watching. Bye bye. And please, in the comments, if you also have Oculus Quest 2, Meta Quest 2, leave a comment down below and tell me something about it, what I should know. That's it, that's all I'm asking. Thank you, Bye bye. Leave a like and subscribe also. Thank you so much. Okay, bye.